Geometry is an oldest branch of mathematics that studies the sizes, shapes, positions and dimensions of objects. Can you find this area using geometry and algebra only? No trigonometry, no calculus. Now look at this square. Clearly this is x into x square. And inside the square, one can draw the lines due to symmetry. Now this is the red diamond, or you can say the red square. We have to find the area of the following shape, right? Now due to the symmetry, you can divide this whole square into A, B, C, and suddenly when you want to make the equation, it comes out to be 8A plus 4B plus 4C, and that is equal to x square. So this is our equation A. Now look at this triangle. What is the length of perpendicular and base? Very simple. It is 2 by 3x. Now we have the equation to find the area of triangle, which is equal to perpendicular into base divided by 2. So we get the area of triangle as 2 by 9x square. We can also show the area of triangle as 2a plus 2b, which is again equal to 2 by 9x square. And this is our equation B. We have now obtained the following two equations. 8a plus 4b plus 4c is equal to x square. This is our equation A. And 2a plus 2b is equal to 2 by 9x square, which is our equation B. Now look at the triangle which I shown with the purple color, and certainly it is not difficult to find out the height of this triangle, which is equal to x by 6. So you can see in this enlarged purple triangle that it is divided into two right angle triangles, and area of each right angle triangle is equal to perpendicular into base divided by 2. We get the area of triangle as x square by 72, and this is equal to b divided by 2, which means the b is equal to now area of b, that is equal to x square divided by 36. We have obtained the third equation as b is equal to 1 by 36 x square. Now with these three equations, we can simply put the value of b into equation B, we can get the value of A, and then subsequently we will place the value of A into equation A to get the value of C. So it is just a simplification, just the substitutions of each variable into the other. After that, with little calculations, we found A is equal to 1 by 12 x square. We have already found B is equal to 1 by 36 x square. Placing this value of B and A into equation A, we have obtained 4C is equal to 2 by 9 x square, and that is in fact our required answer. Now let x is equal to 12, so B comes out to be 4, A comes out to be 12, and 4C comes out to be 32. So now we verify this using equation A. You know that 8a plus 4b plus 4c is equal to x square. So 96 plus 16 plus 32, that is equal to 144. Thanks for watching.